Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna explore Nano Banana Pro, and for sure Nano Banana Pro is like significantly better than the previous version, and I'm gonna prove you in this video why. Here, let's try to change this armchair. So I had this image, and with first prompt, I got this result. Like it looks very good integrated, it looks very realistic. I'm totally happy with this result. Yeah, I can say that this chair is like too big for this area, for sure. I have to remove this coffee table, but in general, like it looks very, very good. Next, I wanted to make this task more complicated, so I chose like another image of the chair and with like different perspective, you see. Here, I got this result. And I think it's super nice. Like, it understood that this chair is pretty big and it removed coffee table automatically. I do like it, yeah, because like understanding of scale is much better in Nano Banana Pro than in previous version. So next, let's try to change fabric of the sofa here. I have this image. It's fabric from Minotti. And change sofa fabric to fabric on the reference. And I got this result. Look at the fabric. It looks like super realistic. It looks like very nice. Like it's very, like the fabric structure looks like super realistic. Look at it. Here. So I think it's amazing. I like it a lot. And next I wanted to try some more complicated fabric, and I got this result. Again, the structure of fabric is pretty visible. I would say in this image structure is too big for sure, but again I ran only one prompt and I already got like super nice result. It's definitely better than a previous version of Nano Banana, because with previous version we didn't have so many details on the fabric. There is no debate that this fabric looks much better than in previous version of Nano Banana, and it's super fast. This is like just with one prompt. You can show to your client like many different options. It's super useful, super convenient. Here, I wanted to change the image to night scene. I have this image. I just typed the prompt, change the image to night scene in Arc Daily Style. And, like from the first attempt, I got this image. I would say pretty good, yeah. From the second attempt, I got this image. I do have this thing on the ceiling. I don't know where this light comes from, but I can easily delete it in Photoshop, yeah, because in general, the light scene is very good, yeah, because we have this light from this floor lamp, we have this light like from this pendant lamp, like it identified all the lamp pretty nicely, and the view behind the window looks pretty good, so everything is very good. When I tried the same prompt in previous version of Nano Banana Pro, I got this result. As you can see, like it's not very good. I don't know why, but it added some LED light here. I didn't have it like in my original image. And in general, yes, if you run the prompt a few times, you can get this image like with previous version. But as you can see, I tried only 2 prompts and I got pretty good result. This thing I can easily remove in Photoshop. And the image is in very good quality. So for sure, I would go with Nano Banana Pro. So I want to add a woman into this interior. And I'm gonna type prompt and add a woman standing in front of the kitchen. I got this result. In general, it's good, the woman is well integrated, but for sure you can see that the woman is too small. When I tried it into a previous version of Nano Banana, I got this result. I do like this woman more, actually, yeah. And the scale is better. And I do like that she's like model looking. So what I want to do, let's change the woman face to a more model-like look. And I got this result. It's better, but still, because the scale is not good, it's far from perfect, yeah? So what I did next, I tried another prompt. Add a model-looking woman in white standing in front of the kitchen island and looking into the camera. One hand is resting on the kitchen countertop. I got this result, and I do think it's perfect. Like, it's very well integrated, and the scale is correct. The woman is model looking, like everything is pretty good. When I tried with previous version of Nano Banana, I got this result. You can see that the scale is not good, it's a little too big, and I would say the previous version of Nano Banana pretty often gives you incorrect scale when it comes to human, and you have to run prompt like many times. With Nano Banana Pro, this is like second attempt. Yeah, and I would say with this prompt, this is like only the first attempt, and I already got like super nice result. And in the output, you're gonna have image in good quality. And I would say in about 90% of attempts, it gives you correct scale when it comes to human. Next, I wanted to add like blurred person walking across the scene with soft motion blur to this image. And I got this result. It's pretty good, I do like it. I would say I would prefer this woman to be here, but as you can see, in general, the result is pretty good. When it comes to previous version of Nano Banana, I got this result. I would say it's also pretty good. But again, at the output, when you use Nano Banana Pro, you're gonna have a high quality image. So next, I have this image and I want to show the sofa area, yeah? So I just type the prompt, zoom out and show the sofa area. And from the first attempt, I got this result. And I think it's very good. If I close up, you can see that the fabric of the sofa looking very good. Like, it looks very natural, very realistic. And the carpet looks very good. The textures looks very good. Coffee table looks very realistic. And the view behind the window is also like, it identifies that it's winter and it's pretty good, yeah? So general picture is very good. The mood is very good. Because when I tried like the same prompt with previous version of Nano Banana, I got this result, but I ran many prompts to achieve this result. And as you can see, the quality of fabric is not very good. As you can see here, the texture goes this way and it should go like horizontally, yeah? The chair also is not super realistic. And in general, image here looks much worse if you compare it to image here. Here, everything is very soft, very natural. Like, I enjoy watching this image. Gives you very realistic interiors, very realistic architecture. It looks like very good and very natural. Next, I have this image and I want to change aspect ratio. Okay, and I'm gonna just type the prompt, zoom out the camera and change aspect ratio to 16:9. And I got this result. As you can see, image looks like very realistic. There is no errors on the side. Yeah, if I close up it, you can see it better. You see? Like, everything looks like super nice. And even here you can see some structure. If you have such floor plan, you can easily create a 3D view of this plan. And I think it's super helpful because it's more informative to the client, it's more clear to the client, and it's much better for your like furniture plan presentation. And it's super easy. Here, there is no mistakes. It identified all the furniture correctly, and it looks like very nice. I do like it. And I would say, why would you show your client only this option of the floor plan if you can show him like both versions? And you can easily make it in color. For example, here, you can branch from here, so it's gonna create separate chat from this specific for this specific image. And yeah, we got this version. It's pretty good. I would go with black and white because, for example, I don't like this like blue tile. But sometimes I would say this version can be like more informative for the client, but for sure I would go like with black and white version. So if you go to Google AI Studio, here you're gonna have your history. Can you fill history? And I'm gonna show you all the chats with Nano Banana. Next, here you can see that Nano Banana PRO doesn't just imagine, like it research, and the model is connected to Google search. You can choose this option here, you can turn off it or turn on, and in this case it can verify details in your prompt and to be like more precise, more clear. Here you can see like how Nano Banana, like the way of thinking. Here you can rerun this prompt, and here you can press like branch from here. In this case, it's gonna create separate chat with this particular image, and you can go back like to this previous chat if you need to, anytime. And here you can choose version of Nano Banana. For sure, if you want to generate from image, you have to choose this version. It's better not to touch at all, just leave it how it is. Here you can change aspect ratio. As you can see, there is like many options, and I think it's very nice, it's super cool. Here is like the most exciting thing, yeah, because you can change resolution now. You can generate images in 4K. Of course, it's gonna take more credits, but for sure it's worth it. Like I think it's like super nice because you don't have to go through image upscaler anymore. And in general, I would say if you're waiting for the moment, like I'm gonna try Nano Banana when it's become like really good, when I don't have to run like many prompts to get this like perfect result, I would say like this is like the right moment to try. Like for sure you have to try it now, because now you can achieve perfect result like with 1 or 2 prompts. For example, look at the fabric structure here. Yeah, like it's very good, it's perfect. Yeah, it's super realistic. I do like it a lot.
I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, click this like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so you won't miss the next video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.